Hi, I'm Parag Bawdekar. Actually, one of my cousin is already, taking treatment from Dr. Vikas Agarwal, and he's very happy with it. So I thought, even I was facing a similar kind of issues of sleep apnea, disturb me, sleep and a lot of things. So to start with, I met Dr. Vikas Agarwal, and he has done the counseling. Then we had the sleep test where he explained a lot of things about the repercussion of the things can happen in future. And on 11th April I have done this surgery. 10th April I admit myself, and after this surgery the 2 days was really difficult for me, but now I can say that I can feel altogether a new kind breathing pattern altogether, where I'm feeling much more comfortable in breathing. Where earlier my breathing pattern was almost 75% I used to breathe from my mouth and 25% from my nose. That was kind of, but now I'm feeling much better. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much for taking me this things where I can much comfortable now. Last surgery is pending, where I can come out of all this more comfortably. Thank you so much.